An organization has a Microsoft 365 subscription. You plan to implement multi-factor authentication. You can communicate with a bot by using email. True or false? The correct answer is false. Microsoft 365 does not natively support communicating with a bot via email for multi-factor authentication. Multi-factor authentication in Microsoft 365 typically involves methods such as SMS, phone calls, or authentication apps, but not email communication with a bot. Azure Machine Learning Designer can be used to create machine learning models by select the answer that correctly completes the sentence. The options are A. Automatically selecting an algorithm to build the most accurate model. B. Automatically performing common data preparation tasks. C. Adding and connecting modules on a visual canvas. D. Using a code-first notebook experience. The correct answer is adding and connecting modules on a visual canvas. Azure Machine Learning Designer provides a drag-and-drop interface to build machine learning pipelines by connecting different modules visually. It does not automatically select algorithms or perform data preparation tasks, nor is it primarily a code-first environment. You are using drones to identify where weeds grow between rows of crops to send an instruction for the removal of the weeds. This is an example of which type of computer vision? The options are A. Scene segmentation, B. Optical character recognition, C. Object detection. The correct answer is object detection. Object detection involves identifying and locating objects within an image or video. In this case, the drones are detecting and locating weeds among crops. Scene segmentation would be more about dividing an image into different segments or regions, while OCR is used for recognizing and extracting text from images. Making a travel reservation is a scenario of conversational AI. True or false? The correct answer is true. Making a travel reservation is indeed a scenario where conversational AI can be applied. Conversational AI involves using technologies like chatbots or virtual assistants to interact with users through natural language, which can include tasks like making travel reservations. You are developing a chatbot solution in Azure. Which service should you use to determine a user's intent? The options are A. Speech, B. Q&A maker, C. Translator, D. Language understanding. Louise. The correct answer is language understanding. Louise. Louise is specifically designed for understanding user intents and extracting relevant information from text, making it ideal for developing conversational AI solutions. What are the Microsoft guiding principles for responsible AI? Select three correct options. The options are A. Fairness, B. Knowledgeability, C. Reliability and safety, D. Inclusiveness. The correct answers are fairness, reliability and safety and inclusiveness. These principles are designed to ensure that AI systems are used in a way that is ethical, trustworthy, and accessible. Knowledgeability is not listed as one of the core guiding principles. Select the types of machine learning for the appropriate scenarios. Segment customers into different groups to support a marketing department. The options are A. Classification, B. Regression, C. Clustering. The correct answer is clustering. Segmenting customers into different groups involves grouping similar data points together without predefined labels, which is a common use case for clustering in machine learning. An organization has a Microsoft 365 subscription. You plan to implement multi-factor authentication. You can communicate with a bot by using a web chat interface. True or false? The correct answer is true. With a Microsoft 365 subscription, you can implement multi-factor authentication and use a web chat interface to communicate with bots. For example, you can integrate bots into web chat solutions or use Microsoft's bot framework to create bots that interact with users through a web interface. An organization has a Microsoft 365 subscription. You plan to implement multi-factor authentication. You can communicate with a bot by using email. True or false? The correct answer is false. While Microsoft 365 supports multi-factor authentication, MFA, communication with bots for MFA implementation or management typically does not occur via email. Bots are more commonly integrated with platforms like Microsoft Teams, web chat interfaces, or custom applications rather than email. Which Azure OpenAI model can generate original images from natural language? The options are A. Dolly, B. Whisper, C. Embeddings, D. GPT 3.5, E. GPT 4. The correct answer is Dolly. Dolly is an Azure OpenAI model specifically designed to generate original images from natural language descriptions.